Today, there is one question that I hear in every boardroom, every hospital, every law firm, and every design studio in entire world. Will AI replace me? Let me answer that clearly. AI is not here to replace anyone. AI is here to sit beside you as your companion. AI is here to multiply your business and your opportunities, not just 10x, not just 100x, but 1000 times. Each and every business model, there is not a single profession that AI will not transform. But today we are early, and in the early stage, we are in a mode of rejection. This is natural. Every transformation goes like this, and we go through this rejection mode. The internet went through it, the smartphones went through it, the cloud went through it, AI is going through it now. I have myself experienced while selling cloud in India between 2010 to 2016. I had to accept rejection almost everywhere. So same thing is happening right now with AI. But as time progresses, as rejection turns into acceptance, professionals will realize something powerful. AI is here for positive transformation. AI is here to accelerate every business hundreds of times, thousands of times. Not two, not three, but everything on this planet that we are doing for growth purposes is going to be transformed. A doctor who today serves 30 patients with depth and care, tomorrow will be able to serve 300 with even greater accuracy. A lawyer drafting 5 contracts a week can draft 15. This is the acceleration the world is about to witness. With AI, our trajectory is not going to be linear, but it's going to be exponential from top 10 to top 5 and then top 3 in a couple of years' time. That is the realistic horizon for this decade. The countries that adopt AI as a companion first will lead the next century. The countries that resist will fall behind. India has the talent, the data, the demographic, the digital backbone. We have everything that we need. The only question left, will we move or we will reject the AI adoption? I believe we will accept, and the next couple of years, India would be the fastest to adopt everything that AI can do for our country's transformation. Within next few years, we will suddenly see every business model would have adopted AI into their business model. And when people will see that their business is growing 10x year on year, they will automatically find AI to be their best companion, a companion that works besides you 24 by 7, and it contributes equivalent to 200 to 500 people just in the form of one AI agent. Imagine when multiple agents would be deployed for your business, how positive the transformation would be. So, if you are a consultant, if you are an architect, you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, whoever you may be, you are a software developer, AI is here to accelerate your growth by 1,000 times. Something that no one could imagine can happen, but AI has come for a positive change.